guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the New Balance FuelCell 996. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Smack that thumbs up, we want to see those likes. Throw some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment thrown out our way. And I want to take this time to thank all our existing subscribers. Without you guys, we're not able to make this content for you lot. So again, thank you. Let's get into it. So today we've got a look at the New Balance FuelCell 996. This is the version 4. And we've got this in the Ghost Pepper colorway. And we got this in a UK size 7.5. It's a European 41.5. And it's a US size 8. And this is one of New Balance's tennis shoes. Look at that. I mean, to me, these look like a pair of low-cut basketball trainers. They remind me of the Kobe. Even the colorway as well does remind me of some Kobe's. But it's not the right kind of court. These were designed for the hard court, the indoor tennis courts, the ones that you usually see in the US Open. Maybe you can play this on clay. I don't know. It's been a while since I played tennis. But we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber endurance outsole. That is New Balance's name for their traction. It's all around from the heel all the way onto the tippy toes. You can see that New Balance logo there and the little endurance. It should be, there it is, it's over here. Moving along onto the upper. Now this is where the whole sneaker gets its name. It's the fuel cell. So injected into this midsole unit is fuel cell technology. And that is there to be the sponge. It's there for your comfort, as well as propulsion and explosive movement. As we move along onto the upper, the rubber extends all the way onto the toe box. Obviously, there's a lot of lateral movement, a lot of dragging your feet in the sport of tennis. So that's there for that protection. I mean, you see it the same as basketball, but you know, this is meant for tennis. I think let me stop making that comparison. Now it's got that really Ghost Pepper feel, if you can't tell by the colorway. So it hits over purple and red. And if you look at the black speckles, there's that instance, that little subtle nod to Ghost Chili Pepper. I'm too scared to try that, you know, I've got such a, I want to say weak tongue, but I'm not good with spicy foods myself. The whole upper is a synthetic knit material, and that is New Balance's Hyper Knit. It's there for your stretch, and it's there to fit the shape of your feet. You look at the lace enclosure, and it's a normal lace fastening system, crisscross action. The tongue is nicely padded. Got the New Balance logo there as well. There's not much on the heel, but you've got the different tinges of black that goes along with the purple and reds. And on the lateral and the medial side, there's both a turquoise color and for that New Balance. Let's round it off there. I can't wait to try these on. So roll that footage of me wearing these. When it comes to the fit, guys, I do recommend that you get your true to size New Balance fit. My toes are here. There's a little bit of space, but that's what you kind of need. Now, if you're not expecting really tight trainers, these are really locked down support for my feet. I don't feel like there's going to be any slippage, which is great, because if I'm playing tennis, you know, you don't want your shoes to fly off. Especially you're going to be on your feet over an hour probably, depending on how long the game is and how good you are at tennis. So it might be quick or it might not be. With all that said, I recommend that you get your true to size New Balance fit. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.